We didn't just lose a voice. We lost a heartbeat, a fire, a future. Oh, yeah. You sang for the broken, the silence, the brave. From the streets of Ambo to every soul you gave. From Finfini to every Oromia village. Your spirit will always survive.
Your voice was a weapon, your truth was a flame. Now the night feels heavier calling your name.
They try to quiet what echoes can't hide. A people awaken, you stood at their side.
Not just melodies, you carried our pain.
Now the skies cry tears like unending rain. Who will sing when courage is gone? Who will rise when hope feels withdrawn? Your rhythm still beats in the hearts you ignited, but the silence now feels like we're all divided.
We didn't lose, only you that night. We lost our songs, we lost our light.
Every honest,
every dream,
faded echoes of what could have been. Hachalu,
your fire still remains,
but it burns through sorrow.
it burns through chains.
They took your voice, but they couldn't take truth.
Still living in the spirit of the youth.
A guitar once spoke what words couldn't say. Now it rests in shadows where you used to play. Stages are empty, but memories scream. You were more than a man, you were a dream.
They fear the power inside your sound. A revolution rising from the ground. Not bullets, not silence can bury your name. History remembers who carried the flame.
Now every lyric feels like a cry. Every rhythm asks us why.
But your voice still rises beyond the grave. In every heart that dares be brave. We didn't lose, only you that night. We lost our songs, we lost our light.
Oh, every artist,
Every dream,
fallen echoes of a shattered dream. Hachalu, your
fire still remains.
echoing louder.
Through all the pain,
They took your life, but they couldn't take truth.
still rising in the soul of the youth.
They thought silence would end the story, but silence became a louder cry. Because when one voice falls, a million rise.
We didn't lose, only you that night. We lost the future, burning bright.
But from your ashes,
Voices grow.
stronger than they'll ever know.
Hachalu, you're not alone. Your song is turned to 1,000 tones. They tried to end what you began.
But you still live.
In every Oromian heart that stands.